Good morning, guys. Welcome to Off-Road Wednesday. Today we're working on the CT70 again. Putting a proper fitting carburetor on it, putting a muffler on it, maybe spiffing up the chrome a little bit.
Fixing the lights.
Oh, and the lights.
And the lights.
Yeah, because the goal is to have this thing roadworthy, because I need to get a title for it. I only got a bill of sale with it when I bought it. And I can probably get a title for it, but it needs to be like ready for the road. Turn signals, brake lights, headlights, all that stuff. So we're gonna start by upping the carburetor size.
Well,
Or downing the carburetor size.
downing, but it's still gonna be upping.
Yes.
107 off the ATV.
I want to say we already dropped this bowl.
We have dropped this bowl, but we were also off-roading the thing. And I just wanted to make sure we didn't pick up a bunch of trash. And this is loosened. And we got a little bit of trash here in the line that I'm gonna let run into this pan, you see?
Oh, it's all clogging up that filter.
Oh, look at that.
Holy cow, dude.
That's water.
That's bad.
That came out of the fuel tank. I sucked it back into the, because the vent is not open.
Oh.
Dang it. There we go. That is annoying because I had it trapped.
Yep.
Did kind of like the ram air effect.
Me too.
All right, man. Got the carburetor on. I'm gonna try to crank it.
Got a light? Got nothing here.
Yeah.
That could be a bulb.
Horn's not working. Get the muffler on it, and
Start working on lights.
you know I want to go for a ride on it.
Yeah. We're just making a Frankenstein exhaust out of this Go Power Sports muffler, that header, and what's already
Schedule 40 pipe
on it.
and then
Yeah, the factory
original pipe.
exhaust. So soon I'm hoping to order like a proper exhaust for it. I guess I want to decide what engine I want to go with, and I want to get a title before I sink all that money into it too. That's gonna work pretty well, man. Definitely quieter. Smoky.
It really acts down on power on the bottom end.
I guess because it's leaner.
because it's leaner.
Oh no.
I don't know, it just, bottom end it really liked that big carburetor, but top end it didn't.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see about the lights. You only put one bolt in?
I did. We only had one bolt.
Let's get these bolted up and plugged in and see what happens.
Yep. And it just threads right into the chassis.
Yeah. That one's bent about the opposite way.
Left. This is the right.
Should be labeled, John.
It is.
Okay.
Yep.
We got headlight.
The right one's on. We got nothing.
Yeah. Hit the brake or something. Nothing. Alright, well we'll break out the test light and stuff. Look at that. Someone doing a wheelie with it and took her over.
Wow. Poor thing.
Bulb looks alright. Both of those are fine.
So the bulb is fine.
Bulb is fine. Yeah. Darn thing
Oh,
was
not
off.
bad. The whole time?
Yeah.
So maybe that's why we didn't have lights.
No, we have it.
Oh, we got taillight, dude!
Brake light?
Press it again. Yeah.
You got brake light?
Yeah. Yeah.
Really? Alright, left turn signal. Rev it up a little bit.
We have the battery plugged in. We're gonna go run to a couple of Ike's spots, see if we can rob some parts for like a
Turn signal lens,
Yeah.
brake light lens.
Yep.
And while we're out, let's get some new bulbs for this rather than using these old ones. I think this is going to be a 1156 and let me see. It'll be fine. I think it's 1156
Okay.
and 1157.
All right, and we're gonna run by an upholstery shop and see if we can get a new foam pad because that one's in bad shape, and the ones online are very expensive and they're not the right year model. So let's do it.
I had no idea you had these bikes, man.
Yeah. Looky there. I bought the bike from a bike shop, and of course he was like, "Don't try to get it on the road."
Oh.
So
Parts bike.
parts bike only. All of these came from the shop, so all of them are just parts bikes, which is a shame because a 750 Honda, I got a single overhead cam 750 right there.
It's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, but y'all don't hate on me. The motors are stuck.
That's hilarious, man.
Which part?
That Honda badge right there. What
Oh.
does that remind you of?
Oh, I don't know, maybe a Harley. It's a Honda Davidson, man. It's a very rare.
Davidson.
It's a very rare Honda. Huh. Bingo.
Sweet. Thanks, dude.
Yeah. Here you go, bud.
Thanks, man.
All right, now we got time to brake light.
Yep.
I'm gonna grab it just in case, because it could help us get the title,
True.
and we can always replace it with a new assembly,
Yep.
just in case.
Right. Just to get a title. For
Yeah.
titling purposes only.
Yep.
All right.
We'll go check my other stash.
Sounds good.
All right. Seat we can put on the Honda.
Oh, for real?
I don't think it fit. What do you think of putting this on the front?
Might be a little big.
No luck at Ike's place, so we're gonna work with what we have. It'll be fine. We'll see you guys back at the shop. We're back at the shop. I cleaned off the turn signal reflectors or lenses, and those are drying in the sun. I'm gonna take the seat off because the old seat pan is just it's rusty. It's a total loss, and I ordered one online a few months ago. We're going to transfer the foam, the old foam, to the new pan and see how long it lasts, because we can't find any foam locally.
Yeah, check out this seat.
Yeah, that's complete garbage.
No bringing this one back.
This little Trail 70 has some electrical gremlins. The charging system doesn't work. Ike thinks that's why it was parked. Because maximum it was charging, what, 6 volts or something?
Maximum.
Like wide open.
Wide open throttle.
We're not going to worry with wiring anymore until I put a new engine on it. And I need to decide on what kind of engine I want to do. Like I said...
900.
900, yeah. No, I want to keep it semi-auto. I want to keep kickstart. Yeah, so I don't know, 125. I don't know. I'd like something kind of high performance. Here are the lenses for you, sir.
These look so good.
I'm not really sure, though. Anyway, I did some polishing to the front end of this thing, and it turned out pretty good.
Bam, look at that. It's not perfect by any means, but it is so much better than it was. I did the fender. I did the headlight shroud. I did the handlebars. These aluminum pieces here, which didn't turn out as good as the steel or the chrome. These pieces
Where
here.
are the rubbers?
Oh, there's one there. One over there. I have not touched the rear fender, so that's what it used to look like. His head is almost turned down around like 180 degrees.
Is it? He's going all...
He's looking at us. Yeah, dude, look at him.
Oh, wow.
Didn't know he could do that. Do it again.
What is that movie? Poltergeist?
I don't know.
Oh, wow. Did you tighten that screw up?
I mean, it doesn't look awful.
It's doable. We can put the other seat cover on it
Let's see what it looks like.
and ride for a while until we can find another foam.
Yeah. Feels so wrong to do it to wet paint, but oh well. Seat cover?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. So I bought it. So the guy I bought it from, it came with a brand new seat cover that he never put on.
Man, that's looking pretty good.
It's about to look so nice.
Wow.
Yeah. Not too shabby.
Not bad at all. John the upholsterer. Ooh.
Something like that, right?
Yes.
Looks pretty good.
Man, this thing is looking pretty slick now.
Yep. Just if you just block out the part I didn't polish, it's really not bad.
Guys, I didn't realize it, but this bike is a 6-volt system. I was checking the charging system, and the most I got out of it was like 6 point something out of it.
Like wide open.
And I'm like, man, the charging system is no good on this thing. Well, come to find out, it's a 6-volt bike. Still moving?
Yep. Still moving, okay.
Well, that is fascinating.
We got a situation. These are actually polishing up pretty well, but the wire's too short, and it really needs to be replaced because it's kind of brittle.
Yep.
But we don't have shrink tubing here, or a soldering iron, and the regular like connectors that we use, the blue ones, right here, will not pass through these guys right here. So that's a problem. So shrink tubing, soldering iron. So thanks for watching this episode, guys. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at CarsandCameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac, it'll be fine.
Gotta thank our sponsor, GoPowersports.com. They generally don't sell these front tires and rear tires for these CT70s, but they had them. So if you have an odd tire size, give them a call. They can probably hook you up. We got the new seat pan installed.
Exhaust.
exhaust, the RLV racing muffler.
Thank you.
Got the front fender looking pretty good, the headlight shroud, the handlebars looking pretty decent. There's a lot left to do. I think it's running very well. It's not running very well, but I mean, considering it's sat for 25 years.
Hopefully next Tuesday we'll talk to DMV guy.
Yes, about getting a title. So anyway, if you have any ideas for this CT70 build, let me know. I'm trying to keep it mostly original, with the exception of the engine. So let me know. Support the channel by buying a hat, sticker, hoodie, or a t-shirt at cars-cameras.com. Thank you for watching. We will see you Monday.